Our work is about people, about process, production and logistics, about housing, expanding, building, about output and healthy operation, about consultancy, sharing knowledge and cooperation. Our work is about you. We are Archicom, consultants, architects, engineers. Who are you? Your business is continuously evolving. Archicom understands the dynamics of your business and offers you a comprehensive range of services to achieve measurable results. One of those results, lower operational costs.
Archicom is an architectural and engineering company, but not that all. Archicom has a dedicated team of management and logistics consultants, architects, engineers and project managers. Our vision is clear. First, we always want to define the client's market, the business process and then at last the facility. This integrated approach results in a balanced combination of maximum flexibility, low operational costs and an enduring property value. Our challenge is to get a clear view on these companies' issues together with the client to force the right decision on the right time.
Companies are continuously in motion, so is your company. The demands from Archicom clients are usually focused on a particular issue, such as an urban or industrial development, a new facility, or a change of distribution strategy.
For us, the business process and the current and future market position is always the starting point of every project. We do not just design buildings, but design processes as well. You need to be sure that the client will benefit from this investment for many years. The work needed prior to that is bundled under the heading Management Consultancy. And for example, for Ello, we redefined their business process and designed a new production and distribution facility.
We had a growth since 5 years, which went so rapidly that we had a housing problem with our logistics. And we had to see what we had to do with our warehouse in the future, either to expand on the existing site, improve things or rebuild something in a new site somewhere in the neighborhood. We've chosen Archicom in the beginning for their consultancy on our logistic question. But further on the project we've seen that there were more possibilities with them, so we've also developed our new building together with Archicom.
Logistics is everything and everything is logistics. Market dynamics logistics solutions are often the key to the success of your business processes. Archicom can provide you with the answers you need. The Archicom logistic consultants know that logistics is more than just warehousing and distribution. Some of the companies that trust the specific Archicom qualities are Petrom in Romania, Kverneland in Norway, and VAT Logistics in Rotterdam.
Logistics consultancy was one of the items Archicom offers, but also real estate development is the other item, and that is those are both important for us.
Archicom has more than just Dutch companies as clients. Long-term logistic relationships as well as co-makerships are important.
We contacted Archicom in order that we had then operated our service center in Germany for 2 years. We have had major startup problems, but got very good control of it after 2 years. But we really wanted to see what to improve. We had some discussions with the service provider concerning the cost and so on. And in that aspect, it was very good to have an independent company to evaluate the setup as it was and give advice for what to do for the future, for both parties in fact.
Archicom has over 20 years' experience in supporting enterprises and authorities in developing integrated industrial and urban planning, resulting in balanced solutions. Distribution centers should be established at an easily accessible logistical hotspot, must have large compartments, sufficient docks and adequate free height. David Hart Vastgoed Group approached Archicom to design a 15 hectares district park. The location of this project, with 6 separate colored warehouses in the middle of Rotterdam port, is a logistics hotspot.
Archicom helped us out in the project DC Senav in the area of engineering of the project, urban development of the project, layout of the project, and also partly in the marketing of the project.
Real estate development is the transfer between paper and reality. The physical solutions must reflect the client's requirements. This includes functional requirements, legislation, aesthetics, investment, and operational costs. Archicom integrates all these aspects into a total solution, not only bringing you the right premises with the right conditions, but also facilities where you are proud to work.
This location is a DLC, is a distribution logistics center, and that is one of our major warehouses we operate here in Europe. We have, based on our long-term experience of distribution and logistics in electronic components, together with Archicom, developed here the most sophisticated warehouse in our industry.
Arrow chose Venlo as it is one of the logistic hotspots of the Netherlands. It functions as an inland port of Rotterdam. At Distripark Maasvlakte in Rotterdam, Archicom is responsible for the realization of a new warehouse facility for VAT logistics.
If you think about logistics development and real estate development, I think the moment that you start to think about it, it's the moment also that you can contact Archicom and to start to think about together.
Your business is continuously evolving. This can lead to situations where, for example, the facility no longer complies with functional and legislative requirements. Archicom is continuously confronted with these issues and has therefore developed a range of check and improve services.
The business case was threefolded. First of all, we wanted to make from 2 buildings 1 building. Secondly, we wanted to keep the open working space. And third was that with a multinational team of 10 people, we wanted to create a nice office environment which serves all the employees and also is very safe, modern, open, friendly, just creating a good working atmosphere.
Our organization changed in the last few years, and that made it necessary to also change our facilities. Not only the environment, but also all the functions in the building had to be changed. Archicom is, in my opinion, more than an architect. They also guided us in the entire process from design to the real implementation of the project.
We are Archicom, consultants, architects, engineers. Who are you?
Archicom is an architectural and engineering company.
First of all, Archicom is thinking together with us.
This is an international company.
Archicom is, in my opinion, more than an architect.
Engineering of the project, urban development of the project.
The results we have had so far has been very good.
I absolutely should recommend Archicom.
One-stop shop.
Archicom brought a lot of added value to our project.
They have all the disciplines in-house.
Good partner for a full solution.
Our mission is to share our knowledge with our customers.
Archicom, bright ideas, smart design.